Have you ever wondered what ChatGPT can actually do? Beyond chatting, this AI powerhouse can help you learn languages, debug code, and even plan a party. Stick around because in this video I'm revealing 10 super fun and practical ways you can use ChatGPT starting today. Hi, welcome to the Tutorial Lab. If you're ready to explore how AI can level up your life, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make ChatGPT your ultimate creative partner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting tutorials. Let's dive in. Number 1. Learn a language. Say goodbye to boring grammar drills. Imagine you're learning Spanish. You could ask ChatGPT, pretend to be a Spanish-speaking waiter. I'll order food, and you reply in Spanish.
Claro que sí. Estoy listo para tomar su orden. ¿Qué le gustaría pedir hoy?
This low-pressure way of practicing helps build confidence and vocabulary. Bonus tip, ask ChatGPT to explain idioms. It's like having a patient tutor 24/7. 2. Get over creative blocks. Feeling stuck? Let ChatGPT spark your creativity. For example, if you're writing a fantasy novel, you can type, "Give me 3 unique ideas for magical kingdoms." ChatGPT will brainstorm ideas, freeing up your mind to focus on storytelling. 3. Plan easy recipes. Forgot to prepare meals? ChatGPT's got you covered. Try typing, "I have eggs, spinach, and cheese. What can I make?" In seconds, you'll have a recipe for a healthy spinach omelette. It's like having a personal chef who never complains. 4. Host a debate. Preparing for a school debate or just want to practice? You could ask, "Argue why renewable energy is better than fossil fuels." ChatGPT will give you strong points on both sides, helping you sharpen your arguments. 5. Design a game. Always wanted to create a game? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm game mechanics or write storylines. For instance, try, suggest a plot for a mystery-solving RPG. It will draft twists and turns you can build upon, perfect for aspiring game developers. 6. Debug code like a pro. Struggling with programming bugs? Simply paste your code and type, "Find the error in this Python loop." Not only will ChatGPT identify the issue, but it'll also suggest solutions, making coding so much easier. 7. Personalize resumes and cover letters. Job hunting? Skip the stress. Just type, "Write a marketing resume for a fresher with strong communication skills." ChatGPT crafts tailored resumes and cover letters that make you stand out. 8. Explain tough topics. Need to understand wormholes or blockchain? Type, "Explain wormholes in simple terms." ChatGPT breaks down complex ideas into digestible chunks. It's perfect for students and curious minds alike. 9. Discover what to watch next. Stuck in a Netflix rut? Ask, recommend feel-good movies like The Pursuit of Happiness. It'll provide a list of options tailored to your mood. 10. Explore new gift ideas. Struggling to find the perfect gift? ChatGPT can save the day. Type, "Suggest unique birthday gifts for someone who loves painting." It will give you thoughtful and personalized ideas. No more last-minute shopping stress. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, this is just the beginning of what ChatGPT can do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It helps us bring more amazing content your way. Thanks for watching the Tutorial Lab. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and stay curious.